Good morning. I'm back for part 2, and that's why I have the same outfit on, but I had to dry it because it was all wet from sweat. So I had to dry it first. You asked to see my jewelry, and I'm going to deliver. So sit back and relax. I'm going to put on a little jewelry show, and if you're interested in knowing more about my jewelry or purchasing it, that's up to you. You can just email me at ocarolshow@yahoo.com. And let's begin. First, what you're looking at is 4 necklaces that I made for kids that were between the ages of 7 and 11 or 13. And what I do is I put the name on it and a charm. Along with that, I add 2 more sets of names in different color beads, and I add 2 other charms. So they have a choice of making 3 different necklaces. And these are some of the beads that I use. I use a jewel tone, a baby pink, a white, and then there's the larger white. These are some of the beads that I make into charms that I can add to any necklace. Also, I can make any saying, pray for the world, be kind, smile, anything you'd like in any size letters. And like I said, I will give you extra letters so you can play with it. Now I want to show you the little angel wing with the carabiner on a ball chain and the stainless steel angel wing with a pearlescent angel wing attached to it on a ball chain. And I was making these actually for people who have passed away and you want to wear the wing in their honor, or for the little angel in your life. So enjoy the rest of the jewelry show. I hope you enjoy it. And these are just some of my creations. You can see most of my designs on my POSHMARK store, and the link will be below. It is the O Carol Show. And if you find something you like there and you'd like a discount, I can sell it to you outside of POSHMARK, just through my email. you so much for watching. I hope you like the jewelry. I come up with new designs every time I sit down to do it. And I have a little section in my living room. I have all my cases of beads and chains and tools. And when I'm sitting there relaxing, watching a show, and I just enjoy it. To me, it's like a relaxing time. And it's like no pressure, and it's just a creative outlet. So I do have my jewelry in Poshmark and some in eBay. I haven't really been doing eBay. I have maybe 2 things there, but Poshmark and eBay right now, and on Instagram. So you can reach me anywhere. Email, message, text, whatever. So thank you. Remember, I'm praying for you. Let's pray for the world, and things will get better. Love you.